morning, children. So, after studying the mechanism of respiration and cellular respiration, which takes place in all the living cells, we shall move on to the organs of respiration in different animals. So, that means the organs of respiration are not same in all the animals. Why? Because it differs upon the habit of the organism, habitat of the organism, and size of the organism and body structure of the organism. So all these things make a difference in the process of respiration. So how the different organs are exist in different animals. That means in aquatic animals, the process of respiration is different. The organs of respiration are different, and in simple animals like unicellular animals, and in terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals means which live on land, and aquatic animals means which live on water. Marine animals means which live in seas. So different locations, different size of different sizes, and the respiratory organs are also different. So that means all the organisms cannot respire, but the basic process is the same. That means taking in of oxygen and releasing of carbon dioxide. Basic thing is the same, but organs of respiration are different. So how it differs? Let us say. So in unicellular organisms, that means a single cell performs all the activities. That is why the exchange of gases in the process of respiration takes place by means of diffusion through cell membrane. Cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. So by means of diffusion, that means excess of carbon dioxide is released out, and excess of oxygen that is present in surrounding area enters into the cell. So that is how by means of diffusion in unicellular organisms through plasma membrane, the process of respiration will take place. Example, unicellular organisms, we can say easy example is amoeba. Okay. Next, in some organisms, the skin is the respiratory organ. That means cutaneous respiration. Skin is a respiratory organ, like in annelids, like earthworm, leech, and in amphibians like frog, etc. So through the skin, exchange of gases will take place. Where the cutaneous respiration is taking place, it is necessary for the organisms to keep the body surface moist. Moist means it should be with water. Moisture should be there. So that is why earthworm, leech, and amphibians like frog, they have moist body surface. So frogs are amphibians, they live both in land and water. So that means now and then they jump into the water to keep themselves, they keep body surface moist. So that is for the skin, the process of respiration is called cutaneous respiration. And in aquatic organisms which live in water, gills are the respiratory organs. So gills are also called as bronchi. Singular is branchus. So gills are the respiratory organs. So through gills, so it is called as branchial respiration. So we can see in fishes, crabs, etc. And trachea, tube-like structures are present in certain organisms. They are called trachea. That type of respiration is called tracheal respiration. So this tracheal respiration takes place in insects like cockroach, housefly, butterfly, all those things. So tracheal respiration. And in terrestrial organisms like man, cow, monkey, animals, terrestrial organisms means which live on land. Lungs are the respiratory organs, and that type of respiration is called as pulmonary respiration. So depending upon the habitat means the surroundings of the organism, and body structure of the organism and size of the organism, the respiratory organs differ. So you might have observed the fishes in the aquarium, they usually open and close their mouth. Why? Because they take the water containing oxygen inside, and when they open the mouth, the water containing oxygen enters into the body, and they close the mouth, and the water enters into the gills, and in the gills the exchange of gases will take place. and again when it opens, the water with containing carbon dioxide will move out, and again it will take oxygenated water. So but man and is a terrestrial organism, he cannot utilize the dissolved oxygen present in water. So that is why you might have seen the people who go into the deeper layers of the sea, very deep layers of the sea, they carry oxygen cylinders. Why? Because man cannot utilize dissolved oxygen present in the water. So water is H2O, oxygen is present, dissolved oxygen. So he has to take only oxygen in the form of, so along with air. But fishes, they take dissolved oxygen present in water. So that is why when we take out the fish from the water, it cannot utilize, though oxygen is present in the air, it cannot utilize the oxygen present in the air, and it will die for want of oxygen. So that is why, so depending upon body structure, habitat, the different respiratory organs are present. So in this way we can simply see diffusion through cell membrane, skin, cutaneous respiration through skin, bronchial respiration through gills, tracheal respiration through trachea, pulmonary respiration, that is lungs, are the respiratory organs. So in the next class we shall see how the air containing oxygen enters in the human respiratory system, and where actually the exchange of gases will take place. What are all the organs involved in the process of respiration, that we shall see in the next class. Okay, I hope you are able to follow me. Thank you.